Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify account security with Microsoft. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your email address and click on the next button. Input your password and click on the sign in button. Once signed in, locate the security option on the dashboard. Click on security to access your account security settings. In the Security section, look for Security Basics and click on it. Here, you will see an overview of your account's security status. To check your sign-in activity, find and click on Recent Activity. Review the list of recent sign-ins to identify any suspicious activity. If you see activity you do not recognize, follow the prompts to secure your account. Next, return to the Security Basics page. Scroll down to Two-Step Verification. Click on Two-Step Verification to enhance your account security. Choose Set up Two-Step Verification and follow the on-screen instructions. You will have the option to receive a code via a text message or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and enter the required information. After configuring two-step verification, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, scroll to the Security Info section. Here, you can add or update your security options, such as your phone number and email address. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are current and accessible. Finally, review any security alerts or recommendations on this page. Consider enabling additional security features if available, such as password recovery options. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be more secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.